Abusia final video for today. The beef continues. One video no. Tracy watches it all day Kennedy Japan so money doing one more time.
One more time.
Baku saying one more time.
One more time.
Yep, Abusia Nura 1 and 2 TV so no Kennedy Japan Asia Kwako Tracy Buaji. Oh my, I Tracy back. Ne, and then I bet the head Abusia. Yes, I see. Now Abusia before say be ko Tracy video ne so kura no ye mo kakra bi of ne Kennedy Japan kan ya e ma Tracy san back.
We na Tracy Buache koto down $450,000. Now I say me told down my girl is over $1 million. And yes, I know price me low. That's the gospel truth. And when I was sorry. I ain't new food to say Uncle Bisa. My shadow I mean canopy.
I know.
Oh yeah, I don't mammy a woman in America. Because my cook Kumasia Koso baby Mutina. Now we're low standard. Mahama never wait them from over for the Tantaisa.
Nesam no. I don't pursue Tracy watch it to say Numa Busia was signed back and oh my goodness. Yanko
Abusia for my room one come bedo. And to me, Trihune, my tade na any other than any umbo fanisa.
Abusia beef response video be a status slow say no himself betia fast wenche.
Kennedy you started the ate wako Kumasi akoye meme ho research and so fucking what? Kennedy me say dia wo be ka fa me hu bia no I don't give a fuck. Meme no for tabraba. Kennedy me try mani pa ba na me do reply am no for tabraba no. Me di watem. What you idiot.
Abusia na dey say it looks like say all hell is going to break loose because now no dey speed ramp wa. And
Kennedy Japan, share. Mr. Sawa mu mimi mu. Meme no for tabraba Kennedy. O passe Senfia Dre.
Oh my God. Senfia Dre. Adre dey say. Na say video you start here kure nyandru baby. My goodness.
Wo pa, hwe shirt out the was when your ace.
Love you. Ace for shirt to say.
Shawo shirt out with the two TV so. Wo sikenya mu mponi. Ke Japan, ompomu emponi. Ha me ji attention in every na to say am just Ghana ha. You can see e kasa am for share.
Oh, so I guess on your live video ya brand na Japan war live. Fire for fire. Hey.
Wo space said your hair we atwam.
Abuja say it looks like say Tracy a forgo all the respect here. No woman can say Kennedy Japan no. And just ne papa o. And na wonya te say ne oye ne mate. Hey,
Kennedy, me say I can go down with you because my boy what to her. Mama no drive through no before ba phone to say me nka we do me kran ka de wo kan no can have me. Kennedy, ma wo kwatin sori me ahwe kwati wo ye Kennedy Japan. Hey, dia wa kan say wa anya de bia me di watem kopin say wo be.
Abuja, it looks like a video when so plus 18 the enu bia. Nti say wunya 18 years ya misro jahwe because wudi hu agura waso betimi asi. Say ne nsam na sisi bobo ba no. Anu e den.
Kwati wo ye Kennedy o say ay artificial. Kennedy, do you have a natural teeth? O say ay artificial anu dike Kennedy. Wo de one no ne dike. Wo de one no ene dike anu dike Kennedy Japan. Meme no for tabraba wa bodam.
Hey, Tracy kasa o, Tracy kasa. Abuja yesi so obi fun kunkura na yemfumu ndwa. But it looks like so mommy no omo egos no omo wolu nti no. E mo omo kwan each other kura accept defeat. Obi apeso can be and we say na admisi kika kona. Abuja, this is no bueno beef no bueno this one.
Hey, you went to Kumasi to Sevilla and at the end do I give a fuck? Do I give a fuck about what you want to hear about Kumasi? Do I care? Do I look bothered? Kennedy me so share what I na show no. I say wo hwehwe awiatwam. I say wo hwehwem. O pass Senfi adwe. Wo pa Senfi adwe anu di twa Kennedy Japan way. Ma kwatin sorry na di to kwati wo ye.
Now we are getting to blatantly disrespecting Kennedy Japan because it looks like say eno na Tracy Buachi person achieve because as say Kennedy Japan mu ni hu na so ba be kana asem dia na so ye mistake kana asem in fact Abuja or better to a man and left, or better to a man and left and right. And it looks like and no, and oh yeah, which is no bueno.
Fa wo ho bra, me no for tabra ba, wo benya me mpo. Me no for no me yi ko mo yiska papa so. And you stingy men like you.
Kennedy is stingy. Nah, I don't think so. Because a man for Ghana openly on my yard do ye pano. With me boni pa better and grab Kennedy Japan. So how can you be stingy and also giving at the same time? That is a lie.
Madina, we yam bana ko dino student mattress so man 500 Ghana citizens. Make the wo Kennedy aje 500 come ma board me free.
Jeez, allegations are starting PFO. 500 CDs on a student mattress. Abusia. So I say we through the nani obunkele levels wow.
Ghana for or TV say am also odi matemo so leave me alone. Let me deal with him. He deserves it.
So he tis anase ne bani sukura na. Aso tie. Hey, girl, you do with ya.
Hey, mama so enko kra na insha papa me frem say mama ni base. Kennedy, my cotton sorry na di cho tom cotton wu ye Kennedy Japan my cotton sorry na di ke. Akra akodi no Madina. Student mattress so now man 500 Ghana cedis no. Kennedy carry.
Wait, Tracy contradicting him or her. And as a minute because look, was it be man a crown sorry? Who grow ya was it while you student mattresses? Didn't I didn't sorry. Was it then the real student mattresses? And I don't know so ya know the Olivia.
Me ma hwe ya dia da me mama wo me nyina beba. What bodam? What can you say about me? E dia na be kan fa me ho. Dia wo be kan me ma kan wo interviews ma wi. Me I don't fake o. You won't go down to my level. Mahama, hey, na denti na ndisi for penti ye di mo flag bearer atama. Mo ye din sha papa we sa. Papa we a ne sin nyina hia wo sha artificial sin we. Why ye nipa kra wo senke yetimi ma no kwan ma ne cancer fun fa nipa ho.
Tracy, tie. Now I know say if you are in the zone now, you make be an one say worker. Even though say this is fun, I'm not going to best binum crab applaud for say was standing up against Kennedy Japan. But in some now work can it be what never ye if you take this advice because the person you are going against, you know, is not just any ordinary person. It's Kennedy Japan. So you have to Tracy Nyamto.
Nenya sika na akodi boto boni mu ti se wa won ka twa bia wo se ka wunya bidi ena nya ma na pa so na bia odi kote kesi obeso odi ketua obeso odi medium aka wo kote nki edi
Hey. Hello. It looks like say filter net the Tracy enum na busia tete I say no one is saying me free na num basa just say no filter no nothing raw as it is.
You are mad. 60-year-old man, I wouldn't even answer. You are mad. Why you so do any best me so? Me stupid man. What bottom?
Sister Tracy, if I'm not mistaken, a fear should offer the same path so. But to go here, I don't think say course any now no see pennies. So if you are trying to follow this same move through this same path now, sister, I would advise you say Jai kura na nyesa dia. So for muzo na kono anu e din.
Anya nya kro no ni cocaine ni wi. Enka wo ko ba ni twem se wudi no. Enka ba ni twem se wuti we fa kwoti be ni twem. Me am very sure be bia ni one ni do be ma Kennedy Japan di no da. Na nya ohia semu a. Nkwa wo kra senka oba da ho ma wudi no. Hwa wo shete hwa wo sika nyamponi Kennedy wo mpo mu mponi. Wa pomponi wanya scamponi na nka me 29 years ka me kama top pressure ma out na TV so a obo me din Kennedy ma no nsam mo ntimi ne wonna oba be na ni kan no wadada
Abuja I think say here the video the buy because a beef no turning into complete attempt dia now there is no more beef adu asomodwe levels what you say and Magraheb don't do asomodwe we do beef what because it was still nothing did all the to us way
when I say African map wo see asia poto bibire Kennedy wo show asia poto bibire hey me for tabraba and you dwan funu na e mahama ko be for bat say me foolish man obo dam ya soma wa me ka to mo so wa ebinyame you I am sure say Kumasi koya me who investigation which that me mama ye fi wo me owo me 17 January 1991 e wo Kumasi Kennedy Yendimi mami moka te se wo ma o. Yendimi mami moka me san fa me sika nhwe me ma te se wo ma o.
Nti ne boy te sa statement no a. Same pan no be feeling. Same pan no be take his asem. Because all parties I want to kakra ni won nsem a wo do wan wo o just all consider okra ndi mema bi te say capito e kan say PK there yeah PK address you nika pre PK and na Kwame Miki onunum nyina onwom ya Yakubu de grade say ni ohuri tre street ohuri tra ankasa
eno fono me ego sika for so me di sika papa not people like you enye why na do free so abaye mo bono I am not like you. And I make a choice. I show woman in the booth. You are so envious of people. You wish to have private jet like Ibrahim. Unibi. And I told you I drink Jenny. Bow down. And I mean I do ask some myself. Kennedy, don't give me a warning again. Bring it on. We are penny. I will not respect you. Now women I are smart to say me anka wunye. Girlfriend be friend me enra. Okoti ewu. What do one no ne ditche? What do I know? Boma comes or ban hobeba. Wo, ni pebit say, oh, become a massive. Oh, bodam, what? Do you feed me? Oh, na shame. Oh, bodam. Obi a wouldn't me. Why you saw you when you be see me so? Oh, bodam. Canada, Japan. What bodam?
Abuzia, this is too much. Just say, way too much. I was at the video in Bessie. I saw a full video now. My link in my YouTube description as well. GH page channel and also Nebuchadnezzar for checking it out. But this, man. Now my final words is this. It doesn't matter. You shouldn't. Anyone shouldn't blatantly insult anyone like this. It was social media so ever because I did to social media. It lasts for a long lifetime. You shouldn't. This shouldn't happen. What I say? I know say Tracy Kennedy but sometimes you have to keep your emotions in check. And Kennedy Japan so you are an honorable minister. A man for look up to you. Who a man penny for I think say a big ni Tracy Buache. Who what you say? You shouldn't sometimes go to the level of Tracy Buache just to make a point. You are a very good politician. You can do your own politics in your own way without saying we involve and now come down to a level of kind of saying, excuse my language, obiti say Tracy Buache. Na waba beka na asem na odwo agina so wamani nyina so amani de di watemsa. You are a very grown man and you don't deserve that. No one should, disrespect you in that way. But akwakwa say, girl is so can asema or the barbecue be achero. And now, you see, like I said, the ego are a factor of this thing. Ubeka na asem and as they say, or do when you from. Which shouldn't happen. You are one of the most generous people in Ghana. You are one of the people a man for look up to for good, as I say, because of good politics. Obi a ye plain, obi or ye correct when it comes to putting where right is, putting right to right. So then what you say? People look up to you when it comes to that aspect of things. There is a baby who's 29-year-old, age deep, papa penny, 60 years. 60 years and then one is an achievement on its own. It shouldn't. Abuja me 2 cents on that matter. No. Ma drop a new video, Maghreb Daily Channel as well. First link in our YouTube video description as well. Click it so nako checking it out. First for my sister Abuja. What be on one own pharmacy. Now Ghana there easier, but in Europe no Abuja that is mind blowing ankasa. Link in the first link in our YouTube video description as well. Click it so nako Maghreb Daily Channel so Abuja checking it out. When you better one ankasa. So we as well Abuja what download the top app out to phone so now they are exclusive African movies ah. We nyansha no baby ah. Very easy to download, very easy to set up. Very easy to start using Abusia or BIS or starting now top app phone so a movie video director na Abusia movies been up so they tonet na man for share na unyeska free man Abusia you here top app show movie video in every video in way.
Hello musicians and entertainers, let's make some money. Welcome Top Hub, giving you a platform to host all your virtual events and get paid on the go. And get to watch exclusive African movies only on Top Hub. All you have to do is to get the app on your phone, your laptop, or your smart TV from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Sign up and you're good to go. Check our social media handles for more details.
Abusua, that is it for this episode. Beef we need to say this beef is insult. Yeah, time pe insult beef no. But this you start here na kase beko slow. But this I never be you Kevin Kwana biya. Na nye easy sa. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click the bell so say new video be batching everywhere ko biya no. E boy ada osaka. So we meet again Abusua. Adios.